So over here, you can see that I have my post right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and share this post out with others. So now, in order to do that, I can simply click on the title of the post right here. And once you do that, you can see that you actually go ahead and get the URL of this post right here that you can copy and share it out with others. You also have this option to share this right here, as you can see right here on the post itself. Once you open the particular post page, you can click on Facebook to share it out onto Facebook, Twitter, or press this right here as you want as well. So you can also customize the button as you can see right here, because you actually are the owner of the site. You can change out how this works as well. Well, let me just go around over here onto my dashboard right here and then go to the particular post. In order to share a post, let's say for example this published post, you can click on the three dot button and here you get the share option as well. So you can go ahead and connect out different accounts right here. Let's say for example your Facebook account, your LinkedIn, Tumblr, Nextdoor, and so forth right here. And once you go ahead and connect it, you can go around over here and then share it out, and the post can be shared on the social media of your platform or a platform of your choice, as you can see right here, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.